In the last video, we showed you how to set email forwarding within Gmail itself, but today's video is for Google Workspace admins who want to configure email forwarding in the admin console so that email sent to one address also delivers to another account. In your admin console, go to Apps, Google Workspace, Gmail, and select Default Routing. Select Configure to add a rule. If you already have some rules in place, select Add another rule. In the first step, specify the recipients. In our case, we will set forwarding for just one address. Enter the email address from which you want to forward emails. Select Modify Message and scroll down to the part where it says, Also deliver to, and check the box next to add more recipients. Enter the recipient address. That is the address where you want to forward emails. Under the options, select Perform this action on non-recognized and recognized addresses as well. Click Save. Now let's test the rule. We are currently logged into 3 accounts, the one from which the emails will be forwarded, and the account where emails will be forwarded. We will use the third account to send test emails. We have sent the email. We can see that it is delivered to original recipient and forwarded to an additional email address. Let us know if you need any assistance with email forwarding or any other Google Workspace topic by leaving a comment under the video description. Subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are issued.